Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Today I'll be telling you about the queen of flowers, rose. We have these rose plants in our garden for many years now. But every time we plant these rose plants, they always die because of the summer heat. That's why instead of planting hybrid rose plants, we decided to plant some desi rose plants. So we propagated this baby plant from a cutting. We also have another rose plant, but its health is very poor. Look, it is completely destroyed because of the heat waves in Delhi. Earlier on this channel, we uploaded a video on how this plant got some ant infestation. Ants, especially red ants, are a huge problem for this plant. Do you know these ants destroyed the roots of this plant completely? And the plant slowly stopped growing. That's why we repotted this plant and transferred it into a bigger pot. We also got rid of those ants and took some precautions. And because of that, this plant is getting a little better day by day. If you're also facing a similar problem to this, make sure that you check out that video. After it got healthier, we forgot to prune it. But we pruned it once before the rainy season, so that this plant can have some lateral branching and it gets healthier. Unfortunately, the flowers that this plant bloomed were very small and of poor quality. Actually, these rose plants bloom in the winter season, so it's better that we cut off all the roses that bloom in your plant right now. My mom also took care of these rose plants by giving liquid manures, solid manures, etc. She gave these manures frequently so that the plant gets more healthier. After this, our plant had many lateral branches as well as many buds. But as I said before, it is better that you cut off all the buds from the plant. We all know that the main problem of this rose plant is dieback. In plants, dieback means that a branch, shoot, or even the whole plant starts drying from the tip backward towards the base, especially when you have just pruned the plant. Like, you'd notice that your rose plant stems turns brown and dry, and that dead part slowly moves downwards toward the main stem, which is termed as dieback. So what's the solution to this? Actually, just after pruning, just apply some aloe vera gel on the part. My mom also prefers to give turmeric paste in that area so that the plant does not get infected. Like this, we pruned every rose plant, removed all the dead or dry leaves as well as removed all the buds. If you also have a rose plant in your home, there are a few steps you should take to take care of your rose plant. First is to hard prune your plant. Actually, rainy season is the best time to hard prune your plant. Also, don't forget to repot your plant if you want to do it. Make sure to repot if your plant has a root bond. Also, make sure to check the drainage holes, especially during the monsoon season, because if there is water stagnant in your pot, it may lead to root rot, which will slowly kill your plant. I hope if you take care of your plants in this way, then you'll get many flowers during the winter season. And I hope that your plant will become more healthier as well as bushier. We have also uploaded many other videos on this plant, so if you wish, you can check those out. That's all. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.